Hey everyone, it's Rick. I'm here in Lincoln, Nebraska's hidden gem, the Sunken Gardens. Let's go take a walk. Somehow, after having grown up in Omaha, just an hour east of Lincoln, I managed to have never heard of this place until just recently, and it's an absolute treasure. Lincoln's Sunken Garden was initially founded back in 1930, almost 100 years ago, under the direction of Ernest Bair as a project for unemployed men during the Great Depression. The land, which had previously been a neighborhood dump site, was donated by local families. It was initially known as the Rock Garden and was opened with 416 trees and landscaping that featured waterfalls and water fountains on 1.5 acres of land. In 2003, the city of Lincoln started a renovation project that really brought it into looking like it does today, with statues, ponds, paths, and restrooms. It also included the Rotary pavilion near the restrooms with its laser-cut panels representing the 4 seasons of Lincoln's skyline. That may explain why I've never heard of it until just recently. Maybe it wasn't so spectacular in the past, but that sure has changed. I tried finding historical photos of the place prior to the 2003 renovation, though only ran across a few that weren't available for posting here. The park is open from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily and has its own parking lot, though overflow parking is available just across the street at the Hamann Rose Gardens. The best part? It's all free. Since 2005, the garden artists have inspired annual themes which have guided the planting and design. Currently, the garden's theme is Golden Hours, meaning the first and last hour of light each day. In past years, it's had themes such as Beautiful Butterfly, Purple Haze, Moon River, Ruby Slippers, and 50 Shades of Pink. The following garden descriptions are from the City of Lincoln website. The Healing Garden, or the White Garden, is located on the upper level of Sunken Gardens. The design was inspired by the famous White Garden at Sissinghurst Castle in Kent, England. The Perennial Garden. Perennials are located throughout the Sunken Gardens, but are featured in the upper level on the north side near the Rotary Pavilion. There you will find varieties of sun and shade-loving perennials, including hostas, viburnum, and hydrangeas. The Annual Garden. Thousands of annuals are planted each year by staff and volunteers during the Wake Up the Beds event. They're planted corresponding to different themes revealed each spring. Art installations. Sunken Gardens is home to several of Lincoln's better-known public art pieces. Through the generosity of several Lincolnites, the garden has been embellished with the statues and sculptural elements since its creation in the 30s. Rebecca at the Well once graced the bottom of a pool at the bottom of the waterfall, but after decades of weathering, her concrete form was retired, and a bronze replica, Rebecca at the Well, was placed at the top of the waterfall. Reveille and Kneeling Figure can both be found in the upper level of the garden. In 2022, Inspiration by artist Mary Buckman was added to the garden in loving memory of Beatrice Seacrest. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more Let's Go Take a Walk adventures. Thank you so much. In the comments below, I'll have links to the City of Lincoln page about the gardens, as well as their Facebook page. If you ever find yourself in the area of Lincoln, Nebraska, or even in Omaha, you definitely want to find the time to stop and smell the roses at the Sunken Gardens. I'll leave you to experience the next few minutes of video on your own. Enjoy! Thanks everybody for watching. That's a quick look at the Sunken Gardens in Lincoln, Nebraska. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more adventures from Let's Go Take a Walk. Thank you.